Hey traders, been a while since you've heard from a Playbook Trading. There's a lot happening in the background, but I am happy and I'm back to bring you back much needed trade reviews, adding value, see what you like, put a comment, subscribe, whatever you like, and I am here to help. However, there's a lot of changes that are happening, and stay tuned for some of those positive changes. There's going to be a much refreshing because we're going to become more of a playbook trading to creative consulting and investing firm. And I can't wait to introduce you some of the key contributors that are taking this into what was a playbook trading to actual an organization. So with that, more to come there. You can expect more videos here and more work from me. But anyways, today I wanted to talk about BBIO. This is a trade that we took in a playbook trading live chat room, and I'm going to show you, how we traded this. So let's take a look at how this all kind of worked out. So here is here's the first thing I want to bring is show you, how the alert was went out to the trader. So anyways, that's me. And here are the alerts. So you can see right here, I sent in a alert on BBIO right over here, long 29.90, 29.50, and I actually traded this live with the room, and we obviously it's right here. So I want to walk you through of this. This was quite frankly, I mean, other than this being a green bar, this is a tier one gap. You can play this right at the open if you would like. I didn't do that, as you saw from my entry right here. I didn't do that. I actually took it at 29.90 right over here. This is a timestamp right here. This is the timestamp 7:12 a.m., which is Pacific Standard Time, so 10:12 market time. So I'm going to show you, but let's talk about this gap first. I mean, this is your daily chart. We can go to weekly chart, doesn't matter. I mean, weekly chart, super nice weekly chart. I mean, right here, this is your, this is your resistance, your clearing resistance. The next level of resistance is right here, 35 bucks, and that's where it went. It actually was also a swing candidate, and one of my swing alerts actually talked about BBIO and how this is transitioning into stage two. So I'm going to give you a couple of lessons here. Those of you interested in swing trading. In swing trading, this is your downtrend break. That's a downtrend break line right here. This is your support right here. And what happens is once the price started to trade. So this is long-term trading right here. Sideways movement. So price moved up, came back onto this moving average. This right here, this is a stage one, and this right here, this gap right here actually triggers stage two continuation. So from a technical standpoint, this was one could have started playing this right over here above this green bar. That obviously this was a tough to play here on this gap because a lot of folks are taking profits here. It comes back. This green candle on the weekly chart kind of shakes out this and then form a really nice down kind of a flag pattern right here. So once it breaks here, boom, it's 35. So I mean, whatever, however percentage that is, I know it's more than 100%. But let's talk about the daily chart here. The daily chart in a sideways right here. Basically, this is a sideways from 13 to maybe let's call it 18, and it just gaps over this. Super bullish. And from here on out, ideally the entry you have to find. Ideally, it has to be an opening bar. If you get an opening bar, I really don't trade on a 1 minute chart. I usually trade on 2 minute chart. There was an entry right up here. I did not take this entry, quite frankly, but one could have taken this entry 20 right here, 28 by 26.70. So it's a pretty, it's a 20 right up here. So you think about it right here. So this is where you're at, 27.81. 26.80. Let's call it a dollar stop. I mean, it was really, it's kind of a big stop here, but we played it much tighter here, 29.90. So what I did is I just let it work here. Obviously, this was nice break right here, and then right over here at you look at my time here, 7:12 a.m. So we're right over here at 10 o'clock reversal time. Now, I love this because what happened is now you're being tested, battle tested right here. You made new highs, you pull back, and now you're consolidating this area right here. I've given lectures. I've talked about this for ad nauseum here. How good this setup is. This for the aggressive trader is all day hold basically. This right here for traders like myself or those that like to play technically sound, right here is the entry right up here from the from what you see at 10:12 right over here. So that is the entry at 29.90. So above this bar, 29.90 stop will be right over here at 29.50. So that's just call it 40-cent stop right here. And then you just played right up to the top here, 35 bucks. So really nice. You could have just done add or reduce here at 30 bucks, but I didn't do that. Just rode it all day. Had a really nice profits into this, and I think I got out right around here at 32 bucks, 32.20. So so that's just wanted to bring it up and see how we traded this. This is a home run trade, and then obviously there's swing trades that we're doing really well. So just wanted to bring you a short video. Wanted to welcome you back and expect more videos from us.